Hi, I'm John from JT Plastering and Wall Insulation in Wakefield, West Yorkshire. If you're watching this, the chances are you're dealing with unwanted noise coming through your walls. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of how we recently installed a specialist soundproofing system in a semi-detached house where the customer had some issues with noisy neighbours. So we're actually using a product here that's called Soundboard 4. And these can be fixed directly onto a solid brick wall or plaster or a timber stud wall. The boards are made up of 4 layers, so we've got acoustic foam sandwiched between 2 layers of mass loaded vinyl. Then this is all bonded to a 15mm acoustic plasterboard. So it does make the boards very heavy and dense. They actually weigh 42 kilos each, so they do only make them in a smaller size so you can actually lift them. But this weight is what makes them so effective at reducing airborne sound. Once we've got all the floor protection down and we've got all the boards into the room, we're ready to start fixing them to the wall. So you can see here we're cutting the holes out of the board so it fits around any power points or light switches in the room. So if you are having any problems with noisy neighbours or sound transfer through your walls, this type of acoustic board is specifically designed to absorb and reduce airborne sound transmission by 50%, which makes it ideal for situations like this where you've got nuisance noise such as TV, radio or just conversation from your neighbours. So because these boards are so heavy, we can't stick them with normal board adhesive. We have to use 9 screw fixings per board to secure them to the wall. And once we've got them all up, we make sure all the joints and edges are filled up with acoustic sealant. And this sealant helps to limit any sound paths that could bypass the system. And a bit of attention to detail here does make a big difference to the overall result. Once we've got all the joints sealed and taped, it's time to mix up and finish the wall with 2 coats of plaster over the boards to leave a smooth surface ready for painting. Once the plaster's dry and painted, you'd never actually know there's a full soundproofing system behind it. And with the boards only being 30mm thick, you don't actually lose much floor space in your room either. The end result is a wall that looks just like any others in your room, but it does perform very differently. Although this product, it's not a magic wand, it's not going to completely eliminate all the sound coming through, but it will reduce the level of noise coming through by around 50%. So it'll definitely make the room a lot more peaceful and comfortable to live in. So we've had some great feedback from customers after we've installed these sound panels, and what they do say is that there is a noticeable reduction in sound from the noisy neighbours. So please do check out our 5-star reviews on our Google business page, and if you live in Wakefield or any of the surrounding Yorkshire area and you are interested in having these products installed, please hit the link in the description, fill in your contact details and we'll arrange your free quote. Thanks for watching.